Okay, another question she had was about binding scripts and making a shortcut. So there is a tutorial, but I think it's always good to remember that here, even though I have that open as a layer shortcut, you can have any other shortcut that is made from a script. So if you want to do that, you will go to View, Customize, and on the Scripts tab here, it takes a while because I have a few scripts. You can choose any of the scripts that you have listed. They will include the restricted scripts and the trusted scripts. So if I want to uh, make one that is a raster to mask here, and I'll have to choose one of these icons. We've been asking for other icons or custom icons. Haven't been very lucky so far. Let's say that I will choose this icon. Once I have the script on top, the icon selected, I can bind. And here it is. And at this point, I can drag it wherever I want. So I can drag it on the menu, or I can actually put it in the, well, it should be possible in here. So if I stretch, once I close, I can stretch. You can see here is my icon. So if I have something that I want to turn into a mask, I can just click here and it will run the script. One thing I've found is that sometimes if you do add some shortcuts inside of the menus, they might not stick. I think it has been documented bug. So be careful. You can put them in the toolbars, but inside the menus, it might disappear next time you restart your PaintShop. Hey there! I hope you found this information helpful. If you're curious to dive deeper and explore more about PaintShop Pro, we've got a wealth of resources waiting for you in our membership area. There, you'll find in-depth classes, workshops, Q&A sessions, and much more to help you enhance your PaintShop Pro and digital scrapbooking skills. Feel free to check it out. The link is in the video description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the campus!